Example. Find the zone time of sunrise and sunset at latitude 43 degrees and 31.4 minutes north, longitude 36 degrees and 14.3 minutes west, on June 1, 1992. Given. June 1, 1992. Latitude is equal to 43 degrees and 31.4 minutes north. Longitude is equal to 36 degrees and 14.3 minutes west. Required zone time at sunrise and sunset. Using the Nautical Almanac, in the daily pages, look for June 1, 1992. Under the latitude column, scroll down and locate 43 degrees, 31.4 minutes, north. Unfortunately, you can never find the exact value, but it is in the range of 40 degrees and 45 degrees of latitude north. Please be aware that the latitude here is from 10 degrees to 72 degrees north. And here below is from 10 degrees to 72 degrees south. Under the sunrise column, scroll down below until you reach the alongside column of 40 degrees and 45 degrees, and then you will find the following values: 04 hours and 34 minutes for the latitude 40 degrees and 04 hours and 17 minutes for latitude 45 degrees. Notice that, as the latitude goes higher, the time of sunrise is decreasing. Interpolation. 45 degrees is equal to 04 hours and 17 minutes. 43 degrees and 31.4 minutes is equal to an unknown value. 40 degrees is equal to 04 hours and 34 minutes. The difference between 45 degrees and 43 degrees and 31.4 minutes is equal to 1 degree and 28.6 minutes. The difference between 45 degrees and 40 degrees is equal to 5 degrees. The difference between 04 hours and unknown value is equal to x. The difference between 04 hours and 17 minutes and 04 hours and 34 minutes is equal to 17 minutes. Let us make an equation. 1 degree and 28.6 minutes over 5 degrees is equal to x over 17 minutes. Cross multiply. X multiplied by 5 degrees is equal to 1 degree and 28.6 minutes multiplied by 17 minutes. Transpose. The formula for solving x is equal to the product of 1 degree and 28.6 minutes multiplied by 17 minutes. The result is divided by 5 degrees. The value of x computed is equal to 12 minutes. Solution. At sunrise, latitude 40 degrees is equal to 04 hours and 34 minutes. Subtracted by the time value of the arc, 3 degrees and 31.4 minutes, which is equal to 12 minutes. The result is the LMT, which is equal to 04 hours and 22 minutes. 3 degrees and 31.4 minutes is the difference of 40 degrees and 43 degrees, 31.4 minutes. Why we subtract? It is because the time at sunrise is decreasing. And now let us continue. Add the time value of 6 degrees and 14.3 minutes, which is equal to 24 minutes and 57 seconds. Why we add? It is because the given longitude is in the west. In solving time, all west longitude must be added, not unless it passed the GMT. The ZT is now equal to 04 hours, 46 minutes, and 57 seconds, dated June 1, 1992. Oh! I almost forgot, where did we get 6 degrees and 14.3 minutes? Well, it is from the difference of ship's longitude and the zone longitude. And these are the values: 36 degrees, 14.3 minutes, west, and 30 degrees. The result is 6 degrees and 14.3 minutes. below portion, of the same daily page, of the Nautical Almanac. Locate the sunset column, left beside of it, is the latitude column. Almost the same way we did earlier, in computing the time of sunrise. But the only difference, is that when the latitude goes higher, the time of sunset, is increasing. Solution. At sunset, latitude 40 degrees, is equal to 19 hours, and 22 minutes. Added by, the time value of 3 degrees, and 31.4 minutes, which is equal to 12 minutes. Why we add? It is because, the time of sunset is increasing. The result, is the LMT, which is equal to 19 hours, and 34 minutes. Let us pause, for about 10 seconds, and try to calculate, the correct zone time. Add the time value of 6 degrees, and 14.3 minutes, which is equal to 24 minutes, and 57 seconds. The result, is the zone time, which is equal to 19 hours, 58 minutes, and 57 seconds. Dated June 1, 1992. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.